Welcome to Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world. We are beginning our journey in the spiritual heart of Uttarakhand. Our flight lands at Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun. As we descend through the clouds, the stunning Himalayas greet us, snow-capped peaks shimmering in the morning sun. This serene view is just a glimpse of the beauty waiting for us on the road ahead. A smooth landing brings us to the gateway of Rishikesh, nestled on the banks of the Ganga River, a place where yoga meets nature, where peace meets adventure. Join us as we hit the road and drive toward this sacred city. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, a yoga lover, or a mountain enthusiast, Rishikesh has something magical for everyone, from peaceful ashrams to thrilling river rafting. The experience is unforgettable, so buckle up and let the road guide us to the land of sages, temples, and tranquility. Our drive from Jolly Grant Airport to Rishikesh covers a short yet beautiful stretch. The total distance is around 19 kilometers. It takes just 30 to 40 minutes depending on traffic. We follow National Highway 34, a scenic route winding through the lush green foothills of the Himalayas. The road curves gently as we pass by charming local villages and forested hills. On the way we pass AIIMS Rishikesh, a major medical institute serving the region, a symbol of modern healthcare in the lap of the mountains. Soon we approach one of the most iconic moments of the journey, crossing the Ganga River. The mighty river flows calmly beneath us as we enter the holy town. A sense of peace and energy fills the air. Welcome to Rishikesh, where every breath feels sacred. From this point, the spiritual energy becomes more visible. Temples, ashrams, prayer flags, and the majestic Laxman Jhula. We finally arrive at Hotel Lemon Tree, our base for the next few days. Taxi fares on this route range from 800 to 1200 rupees, depending on vehicle type and time of day. Check the links in the description to continue this journey through Rishikesh and Devprayag. If you enjoyed this travel story, like, share, and subscribe. More vlogs coming from Rishikesh, Devprayag, and beyond. Join our journey on Shutterbug in Norway. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure.